Abbreviations we use while chatting. Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you the list of most commonly used abbreviations that we may use to convey our messages in a short form, and that actually saves us sometimes an effort of typing of our daily conversation with friends or colleagues. So in this list, we will look at all the full forms that we use while chatting. Short form and their full forms. ASAP, as soon as possible. aka, also known as BTW, by the way. DIY, do it yourself. FAQ, frequently asked questions. WTF, what the fuck. WTH, what the hell, what the heck. WFM, works for me. LOL, laughing out loud, laugh out loud. Amma, ask me anything. A2A, ask to answer. DM, direct message. PM, private message. QA session, question answer session. ISME, in case you missed it. IMO, in my opinion, in my humble opinion. TL, DR, too long, didn't read. You. For you, for you. You are, your. F to floor, face to face. N8, face to face. NP, no problem. TC, take care. ASEK, as soon as I can. Okay, all correct. It's a misspelling of all correct. Till, today I learned. P.S, postscript. TY, thank you. TQ, thank you. ASL, tell me your age, sex, and location. GM, good morning. GE, good evening. GN, good night. JFY, just for you. Took, more than you know. OSLT, or something like that. ACC, actually. ACE, excellent or great. AFS, always, forever, and seriously. AO, I don't know. OW, anyway. Before. BBS, be back soon. BBL, be back later. BBN, be back never. BF, boyfriend. GF, girlfriend. BFF, best friend forever. Boat, back on topic. BBZ, babes. CYL, catch you later. KL, cool. K, okay. JLT, just like that. J4U, just for you. J4L, just for laugh. J4 floor, just for fun. IK, I know. IIL, I'm in love. IHS, I hope so. IB, I'm back. IS, in a second. Thinking. Hoj, haha, only joking. Hok, haha, only kidding. HHVF, haha, very funny. Rofel, rolling on the floor laughing. OP, original poster, original post. Ot, off topic. Auto, on the other hand. POV, point of view. Rotful, rolling on the floor laughing. SFLR, sorry, for late reply. TIA, thanks in advance. TBC, to be continued, to be confirmed. TBA, to be announced. TYVM, thank you very much. TYT, take your time. TTYL, talk to you later. WRT, with regard to. YAM, get another meeting. YMMD, you made my day. TY, FWTV, DSFMVLT means, thank you everyone for watching this video. Do subscribe for more videos like this.